Good evening to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Kapital, I think Country, but it might just be regular Kapital, the Kapital Denim Repair Service Trucker Cap in the beige and blue color that I picked up from Up There store. Well, we kind of knew this was coming if you watched the vlog video that I kind of just did. So yeah, as mentioned in that video, guys, in my trip to Melbourne, I went to the I guess clothing boutique store. I guess that's probably the most appropriate title to give them, Up There store, mainly to try on their Kapital trucker hats, as for the longest time I have wanted one, but I was unsure because of my I guess my head size if I was ever going to fit into one of them. Luckily in store I was able to try on this one, which is one of the Kapital Kountry ones, in the black and black color with the gray front to it. And from that, it gave me the confidence that I was able to pick up I guess the hat that I was actually more keen on, which was the Denim Repair Services trucker cap. That one, unfortunately, they did not have in store. They only had at their warehouse. So on the Saturday when I was in Up There store, I bought this hat and asked if they could get this one shipped to my address. And wow, what a process that was. It was very easy to do in store. I just put my details in. I'd bought from them before, so it was all very easy. And I clicked buy and bought the item there in their store. They shipped it out to me on the Monday, shipped it across state, and it got to my address within 24 hours. The shipping time was absolutely insane. I was really impressed by that. So yeah, I've picked this one up in the color beige and blue. So it should have blue detailing on the lettering here, a beige front, and then it should be blue for the rest of it. The reason that I chose that one is because a lot of my denim pieces outside of my black denim and my indigo denim is a light blue, and a lot of the Kapital pieces that I currently own and also want to pick up in the future are a light blue denim, and I feel like they will work really well with that hat. And even if I don't pick up those Kapital pieces up in the future moving forward, I can still very easily wear a white t-shirt, a white tank top with very light blue denim, and this hat would be an awesome accessory to kind of just top it all off. So yeah, quite a few reasons that I wanted to buy the hat. I never pulled the plug on buying the hat early because I was unsure if the trucker hats were going to fit me. So it was one of the awesome reasons to go up to Melbourne for that weekend to try on one of the hats in person, and I think that they do fit quite well, so I decided to go with buying this one as well. Hopefully it has the same fit as these trucker hats that Kapital Kountry does, their sub-label, and we'll see that all today, I guess, by unboxing it. So that's the whole story around the piece, why I want it, how I'm gonna wear it, everything like that. Now we've got to unbox it so I can actually showcase it to you guys and get into it. So let's do exactly that. Let's dive in and start unboxing this Kapital trucker. As always, I'm going to get my very trusty kitchen scissors out to cut through all that tape and stuff like that. So we'll do that. But yeah, this will be my second Kapital hat. I would have ideally liked to buy more of their hats, but unfortunately a lot of their hats, their sizing stops at around like the low 60 centimeters for the head circumference, and for me, I've got to have a hat with a that can fit a circumference of like 61 centimeters or something like that. I kind of figured that out over the years by buying hats from like Lack of Color and things like that. They definitely helped me on my sizing journey for headwear, and unfortunately it is a bit restrictive when it comes to brands that I love, but it definitely allows me to buy things with confidence, knowing what my hat size is by doing that. So yeah, definitely recommend like figuring out your hat size. I literally just grabbed a tape measure and just measured around my head and kind of went off a rough estimate there. So I think that's a really good way of going about it. But here we go. Here's to unboxing it. Let's get her out. So, bam. There is the hat itself. it is a little bit more, I guess, coffee stained than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a lighter, like white color, but I'll take the coffee stained brown. We'll chuck that over there. So we can see here and here, there's going to be a couple of differences there. We can notice that the bill on this Kapital Kountry one isn't made of any other material than a normal bill for a trucker hat is made out of. However, with this one, it's got a little bit more spice to it. I'll get it out of the bag so I can kind of showcase it to you guys. We'll get it out of it here. So, chuck that plastic over there. Okay, so I was right in making the call. I was wondering if it was going to be a Kapital Kountry one, and it is indeed a Kapital Kountry hat. We can see the branding there. The difference that we can obviously see that is showcased to us there is that the bill on this one is made up of some denim scraps with a little bit of stitching here and there, and it has a smiley face tag just over here, which I think, oh no, this one does as well. There we go. On the front of this one, it has denim repair, good service, Kapital Kountry, since 1985 when the brand was first established. We can see, what other detailing we can see? We can see a tag, which I'll just quickly get rid of just now. It's kind of a mistake if it doesn't fit me, but it is the same Otto trucker cap that I'm currently wearing, so I have some confidence that it's going to fit me quite well. We can see a tag there which has all the details kind of listed on it there. I don't know if I can really showcase that to you, but it's one size and it has all these warning labels regarding it. It says do not wash, do not bleach, do not tumble, do not iron, do not dry clean, do not wet clean, damp wipe only, dry off naturally. So I think the only instance that we're really going to get to actually clean it would to be just get soaked in the rain and then just let it dry off naturally. That's the only cleaning we're gonna have for it, but that's okay. I can't imagine too many circumstances where I'm gonna get this dirty outside of just like wearing it a lot. I'll set the sizing to be the largest size just because, you know, big noggin hours in a way. We'll take off this one and let's try it on. Let's see how it fits. So much better. So much better. I remember I was in the Up There store and they were like, oh man, like the denim ones, they don't fit as good as these. Look, if you got a big head like I do, you hear it from me right now. These ones are so much smaller than these ones. These ones are so much bigger and it's so much more comfortable already. Like this is comfy. This just sits so much nicer. Yeah. Okay guys, well there you go. So if you want to know a sizing difference, these ones are a lot bigger than the normal ones, the normal Kapital Kountry ones here, but it's exactly what I need. Exactly what I need. And I do really like the colors to it. We got that beige color all around it. We got the blue denim, which was my main appeal. Like this spoke to me as really Kapital to have the bill made out of scraps of denim, and this just spoke to me so much more as a Kapital piece, and especially a Kapital Kountry piece versus this kind of trucker. But I did also buy this trucker because this would just work really effortlessly in my wardrobe currently. So that was also another reason to buy it. And also I just wanted a Kapital Kountry trucker at some point in my life moving forward. So there we go with that one there. But yeah, that's it showcased on body, guys. That is the denim repair service. I definitely say, even though they both use Otto caps as blanks, I would say that the denim ones are larger. So I've got them on the same sizing, which is literally the last two, and this one I feel is a lot bigger, and it fits me a lot more comfortably. Like that's a comfortable fit. It's also making my ears stick out like crazy on that one, so maybe I need to tuck the ears in or something like that. We'll see how that kind of looks as well. No, actually, maybe it's better to do it that. I'll figure it out. I'm not a big cap guy these days. I don't wear a lot of caps. I'm usually wearing my Kangles quite a bit, or wide brimmed hats, but I could definitely go back to caps. No dramas with that. But now that I've got it unboxed for you, I'll have to put an outfit together, see what I can kind of figure out. Let's chuck some things together. and see what I can get to kind of work together with this hat. To showcase it, this is kind of how I would wear it, without throwing any crazy outwear pieces over the top of it or anything like that. I think just a simple outfit like this, you can keep it nice and easy. Maybe get a tighter t-shirt, especially around the arms. I am wearing like a very oversized Uniqlo t-shirt, which, like, as you can kind of see, doesn't really stick to much. But all in all, like, I'm pretty happy with this outfit. Like, you could wear this with either some nice boots or something like that, but in or nice cowboy boots. Actually, you could wear it with some nice tan cowboy boots, and that'd get you sorted. But I think just some Converse would look really nice, right? Like, I feel like Converse would be a really good compromise with this. And the piece that I was referring to, that I would wear, that I already have with this current outfit, is of course the baseball jersey, the Kapital baseball jersey. I was gonna wear this in summer quite a bit because summer is coming up for Australia, and I'd wear this baseball jersey that this trucker hat that I'm wearing at the moment, the baseball jersey, which I've been holding on to for a while now, and probably a white tank top instead of the t-shirt, just because for summer it's going to be too hot to wear like an overshirt styled piece and a shirt like around the armpits. It's just going to be too sweaty and whatnot, so I'll have to substitute the white shirt that I'm wearing at the moment out for a tank top. Definitely. But now that I've unbuttoned this, I'll just throw this on over the top of the t-shirt that I've got on at the moment, and hopefully it'll kind of work. But both of them do have really wide sleeves, so I don't know how successful that's actually going to be. But look at that, the denim baseball player. All I need now is my bat and just to swing it through. But like, you know, and like if I wanted to change it up, I could definitely rock it backwards. Like I could do this. Now I could just, you know, have a beer in hand and look really obnoxious, or come off as really obnoxious. Yeah, no, but like the whole ensemble works very well together. I definitely could rock something like this, and maybe if I wanted, I could get more exciting, like light blue denim with like patches all over them, or just wear these like awesome ones for like 20 years and like get my own patches on them and stuff like that. Like that could work very easily in the future. But yeah, this is kind of how I envisioned how to style it. I know it is very centered around like a specific outfit idea, but I guess I always kind of see accessories as something to complement outfits that I already have, and currently without it, right, I felt like this is missing something. You know what I mean? Like this outfit ensemble here, I feel like I'm missing a hat or an accessory that kind of works well with it. I could go with a very loud belt to kind of like tie it all in together, but I honestly felt like this Kapital hat was just the piece to kind of wear to just kind of like match it all together, to get it to kind of work. Just my thoughts on that one at least. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts on either the whole ensemble or just the cap itself. Is it a yes from you? Is it a no from you? Are you a fan of Kapital trucker hats? Or do you think going down the road of maybe getting like a brown wide brimmed hat is maybe the way to go, or just like a brown leather hat that might work with this outfit? There's probably some other avenues that we could travel. Would love to hear if this is the hat for you, if this is the hat for the outfit, or if you have any other recommendations down in that comment section below. But that's it, Unboxed, guys. Here is the Denim Repair denim trucker hat from Kapital Kountry. How do I feel about it? Final reviews, final thoughts. I, from the product images, thought that the beige part of it was going to be more of a creamier, a lighter white direction. Instead, it's more of a like coffee stained white in a way, and they've just called it beige in a way, but I suppose that is probably pretty accurate to beige. It's fine. I think it's going to work quite well with the ensemble that I have going on at the moment. I think it's a nice color to go with it. I think that it's going to work with the outfits that I designed it for. So in essence, it nails what it needs to do as an accessory. And like I kind of showcased before, I feel like the outfit that I would wear was missing something, or it was missing that extra part. And I feel like this trucker hat might be just that little bit extra that kind of furthers the outfit in the direction I want to take it. I was also kind of thinking that because of the colors, I could actually probably wear them with the Chicago ones, and it would actually work quite well as well. I feel like that would be a nice little outfit there. I could also probably change up, there's probably a couple other things I could look into as well, but I feel like this accessory is furthering the outfit into more of a complete outfit than how I was feeling before. So I feel like it's done its job in that way. But I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on it. Do you reckon it matches with the baseball jersey? Is it a hit? Is it a miss? Have I done well? Have I not done well? I mean, either way, I'll be rocking it, giving it a shot, seeing how it all goes with that one. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this awesome little trucker hat that I picked up from up their store down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep unboxing and showcasing to you the various pieces that I pick up, if you want to see my streetwear pickups, fashion pickups, everything like that, you know what I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to ask you to give me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, we're trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,720 subs before the end of October. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we can reach that milestone before the end of the month. But that is everything I have to say about this hat, guys. I'm very happy that I was able to pick it up. I think it was the only one that they actually had in the beige color. The other colors that they have it in are like a light blue and a gray. But I'm kind of tempted to pick up the gray as well moving forward, because I actually quite like the color scheme of it and swapping out the colors that this mesh and front panel area is made of. I think that actually works out quite well. But just my thoughts there. That's everything I got to say about the hat though, guys. Very happy with this one. Definitely going to be wearing this one in the summertime. So yeah, that's all I'll leave it on. That's all I've got to say. So until the next up there store pickup, until the next Kapital pickup, until the next unboxing video in general, I'll catch you later.